Hi everyone, it's Peggy Merwin with Stamp with Peggy. Today is the first Monday of December 2nd. Hopefully everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving. We spent the week or the day with our family, and then I stayed overnight at my daughter's and we went Black Friday shopping. Then I worked on Santa's workshop all day Saturday, and then yesterday we had, I think there were about 10 of us here making, and that's where I am. I'm at the location where I do my Santa's workshop or my classes. So we have girls here who are busy working on their projects. Let's see if I can do, Marianne's over there working on some. I'm gonna try to shoot this around a little bit. I got things in the way. Let's see if I can get it up. Yeah, there's a couple over there and there's some more over there die cutting. We have stuff everywhere here. Samples are all on the table over there. Okay, we got to get this back. There we go. Okay, so we are busy. The ladies are busy working away, and so I thought I'd just come on. Real quick. Last week I showed you the projects, and so I thought I would show you how to do one of them today. Somebody commented the hinged box looked really fun, and so I thought I would do one of those for you quick tonight. Hi, Jackie. Thanks for joining. But we finished November, so we have a card sketch challenge winner. Actually, winners. We had 15 participants in the card contest this month. It was a busy month. And we had three scrapbook participants. Deb is working those girls out in Iowa to get those participants in there. So that is awesome. I absolutely love it. And I'm gonna try to pull up so that I can watch for comments. I'm using my iPad tonight and I've not done that before, so. And there we go, good, I can. Now let's see if I can see the comments. Oh, of course not. And now I've got myself really big. Okay, anyways, please make sure that you are liking, sharing, commenting. Hi, Linda. Marianne says hi. Oh, the card sketch. I can't show you pictures because, again, I didn't have everything with my laptop with me tonight. So I will be posting. You can see all of those on the Stamp with Peggy VIP group. Just go into photos and you can see all of those. There were amazing participants this month. The cards were all so good. I love seeing them come in. Hi, Wendy. Okay, so the lucky winners for November, and they each get a $25 shopping spree. The first winner posted her card on the 30th, the last day possible, and that is Suzanne Gannon. Suzanne, it was an amazing card. And the second lucky person is Marianne Hatch. Marianne had a card with the winterly top winter, I don't know, it's the bird and the designer paper. And it was an awesome card. So again, you both get a $25 shopping spree. So make sure you let me know what you want and I will get that ordered. Tomorrow's December 3rd. It's a big day again in Stampin' Up! World. There are 2 new kits coming out tomorrow. So make sure you check the website or the Stamp with Peggy, click on shop and click on kits. And the new kits will come up. Oh, excuse me. Let's see. Then there are also the last chance products list becoming available. That is items out of the holiday catalog. So, and online exclusive things I think that are leaving. They're getting rid of the clearance rack and they're changing the name of it to the last chance products. Those will be things until they're gone, they will be kind of sitting there. So it's just really kind of a name change in processing. So make sure you check that out tomorrow. Those will also qualify Suzanne and Marianne with your shopping spree. Okay, so I think we're ready to flip down. Oh, 12 days of Christmas, people. How are you liking your gift so far? It's day 2, so you should have maybe started with your first 2 presents. I know Sharon said she's waiting till the 13th so she can do hers right up closer to Christmas. And then, but everybody should have their boxes now so they can do as they please. Okay, I'm gonna take you out here for a second, and we're gonna flip the camera down. Okay, we're gonna come forward again. Now, hang on just a second. Okay, now let's get it down a little closer to the screen. Okay, and my iPad's being nasty with me here. Okay. Okay, so this is what we're gonna make today. This is the hinged box, and I saw this initial one, Julie DiMatteo, I think is what her name is. She had seen this from another demonstrator, and then she redesigned, and then I kind of took theirs. And so it opens like this. It's all one piece of cardstock. So it opens, the opening is here, and this one has some Dove hand cream inside of it. Okay. All right, so we're gonna close that. And so we're starting, and I'm not gonna do measurements right here. Again, I don't have everything with me today as we're working, but so we started with a piece of cardstock that I believe is 8.5 by 9.5. And then I scored all the different places, okay? So we're gonna start with this fuller side, and we're going to create a box like we usually do, okay? We're gonna fold this part over. We're gonna put adhesive, and I'm trying to make sure you can still see. We're gonna put adhesive on this flap. It's a 1-inch flap. So we're just gonna put good strong adhesive there, and then we're gonna close that up. Okay, looks like somebody's getting some prizes from somewhere. Okay. Nope, and that didn't line up quite right on me. Okay, so let's, I think I've told you before, when something adheres and it's not quite right, just huff on it. And then it pulls apart a little bit easier. Okay, let's try it again. Let's put a new round of adhesive. I forgot to bring my liquid glue to try to use that. Okay, I tell you what, we are going to. And Chris just handed me her glue, so I can do that on the rest of it. Okay. So first we're creating the cube. And then we're gonna tuck the short tabs in. And I will put the measurements on this one too later. Okay, so then we're gonna use the glue on the little short tabs. And then we're gonna close, put the back over it. Put that down. Okay, and then we're gonna put glue on the other part. And we're gonna close that one up. Okay, and then it's best if you take your bone folder down inside and make sure everything's folded up really good. Okay, so there's the base part of our box, right? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this up. We're gonna fold the back over. Then we're gonna put our tab on there. And then we're gonna put the front on. I know many of you put the designer paper on before you create your box. I prefer to do the box first, just because I know then I'm not putting the paper in the wrong place. Not that anybody would ever do that, right? Okay, that goes inside. All right, now we are ready for our designer papers. Okay, and on this one, so I've already pre-stamped with sparkling snowflakes, and I stamped winter greetings in Night of Navy. Excuse me. Which lightened up a lot with the gray background on it, and then stamped the snowflakes with Misty Moonlight, and I stamped it off so that I got a lighter shade, okay? You can have your glue back. Okay, so we're gonna put that on. This is the Country Lane, I think it is, designer paper. Okay, so we have one piece that goes on right there. Then we have another piece that I didn't do any stamping on. That's gonna go onto the back. Okay, so we're gonna put that on there. Then we're gonna come back around. We're gonna close the box. And then we're gonna glue that one right onto there. And like I said, I will put the measurements on later tonight so that you do have the measurements and you can make one of these yourself. Yeah, my angle's not cut real good right there. Let's see if we can fix that just a little bit. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the back. Hi, Cheryl, thanks for joining. Okay, then we're gonna put that on there. Isn't that cute? And it just opens right up. It's about a 3x3 box, just a little bit bigger, so that it will fit lots of different things. Okay, and I used my favorite dies. I used the Stylish Shapes on the Night of Navy, and then I used the Spotlight on Nature on the white one. Okay, so then we're gonna put our dimensionals on the back, peel those off, and then we're gonna add that. I used some of the closeout, let's see, where's my name? Iridescent rhinestones, okay? So I added 2 of them there. We're gonna add 1 more right down here in the corner of the box. Kind of as your little grip a little bit, okay? Isn't that just the cutest little thing? You could stick a cookie in there. I think one of the big peanut butter cups, and I can't think what those are called, I think that would fit in there. Oh, Diane, we miss you too. We wish you could have been here tonight. Okay, so that is the hinged box. Again, I thank Julie for the design to help get me started on that. But so I did this one, and then I also did this one with the moose, and it opens up, and inside are some of the mints. Right, Annette? It's really not hard at all. It's just getting things started on the initial. I wonder if they would know how. Okay. The other thing I wanted to show, let's see, what didn't I have done on the original list? The cocoa and pretzel. And so that's just a fun little packet that opens up. Isn't the moose one cute, Judith? Let's see, what else did this one? And I love this. Let's see if I can even get it into the picture enough. I think I gotta raise this. Okay, we're gonna turn this sideways. Okay, this is the cookie baking set, and it has a packet of cookies. It has a frosting. It has the sprinkles. It has a cookie cutter, and then the fun little tag from the kitchen of Mrs. Claus. So what a great gift for the kids. They can make cookies. They got the cookie cutter. Let's see. I'm trying to see if there was something else too. Oh, this was the Little Debbie cake, tree cake. And so it just fits inside this little box. Is there going to be a December? And I can't see all of the comment on there. Let's see if I can shrink it down. I'll go back and answer the comments later. There will be a December card sketch challenge, but I didn't get time to get that done for tonight. So watch for that. possibly next Monday. I will get that one posted, so you'll have a little less time, but maybe I'll put the template out first. Do it kind of a little backwards this time. How's that? Okay. So you guys have a fabulous week as you start preparing for Christmas, and I will see you again next Monday. Suzanne and Marianne, make sure you let me know what you would like with your $25 shopping spree. Have a great week. Bye-bye.